Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, and let me show you how to do the fingerprint. So at first open the settings, then find and select security and privacy. Right here, go to lock screen, draw an unlock pattern if you already have one, and now under Biometrics, choose Fingerprints. Tap on Continue, register, and as you can see, your fingerprint sensor is located on your power button. So just grab your phone as you usually do it and keep tapping here till it's fully added. And that's it. Tap on Done now, and from now on you can unlock your device. You can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.